Hi there. So in this video I'm going to share with you one of my daughter's creations. She's a college student, but she's home for the summer, and apart from loving her company, I'm completely benefiting from having her in the kitchen. She's a total natural and she's always whipping things up without recipes. The recipe that I'm going to share with you in this video is one of her creations. It is a banana blueberry ice cream, and it is so easy to make. It's got two simple ingredients, banana and blueberries, and it's super healthy for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the banana blueberry ice cream. I'm also going to do a nutritional comparison between this ice cream and the dairy equivalent, so you can see how much healthier it is than a traditional dairy banana blueberry ice cream. So if that sounds good to you, then keep watching. I'm Diana Goldman, and you're watching Beantown Kitchen, where plant-based dishes are shared that you and your body will love. To make this recipe, you just need two simple ingredients: some frozen bananas and some frozen blueberries. The type of bananas that you want to use are the ones that you have allowed to get over-ripened with the brown spots. Those ones are going to be sweeter. Dice the bananas just before you use them, or alternatively, you can simply dice them before you freeze them. You can make this ice cream in a high-powered blender or in a food processor. So I'm going to add the blueberries and the bananas to my food processor. Obviously, that's what I'm using, and then I'm going to give it a whirl. I find that using a few tablespoons of plant-based milk, I'm using almond milk here, helps to achieve the perfect creamy consistency. And here it is finished. Enjoy the ice cream just as it is, or you can also top it with anything you like. I'm showing here some non-dairy chocolate chips, some walnuts, some granola, mango, and coconut flakes. And then how does this compare to a traditional ice cream? Well, if you compare 6 ounces of the vegan and traditional ice cream, the vegan one, the one I'm just showing you, has 167 calories versus 360 calories. It has almost no saturated fat at all, while a traditional ice cream with heavy cream and milk and sugar has 10 grams of saturated fat. The vegan one is completely devoid of cholesterol, while a traditional one has 40 milligrams of cholesterol. It is very high in dietary fiber, and the traditional one has no dietary fiber at all. And then finally, this vegan nice cream is loaded with antioxidants and phytonutrients and vitamins and minerals. It's a really healthy, low-calorie, low-fat dessert. So there's one more thing I want to tell you about this banana ice cream. I have a very dear friend who makes banana ice cream like this with her 4-year-old grandson. So they use frozen bananas. I don't think they add other fruit to it. Of course they could. There's all sorts of different kind of fruit that you can add, but they keep it simple with a frozen banana, put it in the food processor, and whip it up. And he loves it with the different toppings. And I think it's so wonderful and empowering for kids to get in the kitchen and to make their own food. And it's so lovely that they do it together. So do this with your grandchildren, with your children, with your friends, and show them how simple it is to make a delicious dessert like this. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, then let me know in the comment section, or give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. A plant-based diet is great for the planet, it's great for the animals, and it's great for you. Lots of love to you.